Hello, welcome back. Yak Tenderloin. You heard me. Yak Tenderloin. Yak spelled Y-A-K is literally a wild ox. They are very shaggy. The hair, like me, more so than me. They have large horns. They have a big hump, and they are delicious meat. What else can I say? This particular meat, jack meat, have a lot of iron. It's very, very juicy, and it have a kind of a sweet taste. And I'm going to show you how to cook it so you maximize the taste of this delicious meat, which I was lucky enough to find and buy in my local butcher. And I'm going to put a link about my local butcher. So if you're interested in finding it there, you can go and check it out. I'm a big supporter of small businesses, so here I am. So if you like my recipes and my creations, feel free and share with others. If you abide by my philosophy of eating great, enjoying your senses, eating naturally, as natural as possible, and nutritious food, please share. And if you have not done so, subscribe. And with that, let's not go nowhere. Let's have some fun. Subscribe once again. Let's create. So I have a couple of yak tenderloins. Went to the local butcher to get them. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pat them a little bit. I have a couple pieces here, tiny pieces. I'm not going to throw that away. Yak. So I'm going to keep things simple. I'm going to put a little bit of sea salt and a little bit of black pepper. Repeat. Do the same in this side. Just a little pieces too, why not, right? I don't throw anything away. So I have this cast iron in very high heat. Once again, as I said in the past, I have an electric stove, so I have to make sure this is very hot. Put some water in this brush. Yeah, it's hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab some oil. I'm actually going with some Australian extra virgin olive oil, but that doesn't matter. There are multiple types of extra virgin olive oil for different things that you want to try. I have this one for today. Doesn't matter which one you use. You can use vegetable oil if you wanted to. And I'm brushing it around because I want the thing to be evenly hot. And what you're going to do, you're going to grab the jack and you're going to put it there. And you want to cook this to reach a point that's medium rare. I also going to ensure that it's medium rare because you want to taste the meat. See how beautiful it's looking now? So after a couple minutes, maybe 3, turn it around, see how dark it's looking and nice. And this part, what I'm going to do, is then to put a little bit of butter, run a little bit of thyme on the top. You don't want to cook this for a long time. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a couple of garlic cloves. I'm going to mince it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Give me some garlic. The butter I use is unsalted. And a little bit of garlic there too. Nothing get lost with me, so I can choose. And I think that is good. I put it at the bottom for a minute and a half. This have to be for a long time. And what you do now, you get it out, put it to rest. And I'm going to let it rest for about 5-7 minutes. See how beautiful? Perfect, huh? Perfect.